Chocolate spread. Ketchup. Marshmallow. Cheese. Candy. Marmalade.
Whoa! Yeah! Wow!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, in love, young, wild and free. That's where we wanna be, just you and me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, in love, young, wild and free. That's where we wanna be, just you and me. A, B, C, D.
boy!
Whoever lines up 3 donuts in a row gets them all.
Red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, shark, shark. 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 Red shark, shark, shark.
clay and roll it into a ball. That's it. Whoa. Now let's roll it on the table as well. There, that's looking quite good. Now let's get our plastic spoon and start squidging the clay into the spoon, like that. There. Now, is that all stuck in? Let's have a check. Yeah, it's all in there. Great. Okay, let's leave that down there. Now let's get our 3 cotton buds and very, very carefully, with your scissors, cut them in half. There we go. There. Great. Now, take those scissors off. Here we go, and stick the cotton buds into the clay. There's number 3. There, I'm just pushing those cut-ins in there, leaving the soft ends out. There we go, I'm done. Triangle and our sausage shape of white card, and if we glue the triangle on the end, that will make a good fin for our aeroplane. There we go. Now I'm going to turn it over and fold it in half like that, and then make a snip very carefully along this folded edge. That's going to make a slot. Now if we open that up, we can make ourselves a wing by drawing a wing shape on this rectangular piece of card there. Now I'm going to get a pair of scissors and cut this wing shape out very carefully.
Be careful!
Oh, I'm being careful, Tocky, don't you worry. Here comes the wing. There we go. Right, now, hopefully, our wing will slot into our plane. Let's have a look. Yes, it does. That looks great. OK, now I'm going to get my black pen and draw on a window at the front, and then windows all the way along. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. I've done it!